Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor fire pit that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Outland Fire Table, Propane, aluminum frame fire pit table. This fire pit is fueled by propane and is one of top-rated fire pits you can find in the market. It is an astonishing pit table with flames that are smokeless, making it perfect for many activities. It is constructed with powder-coated aluminum to increase its lifespan and, consequently, guarantees you of a long period of service. It is approved by CSA for being safe, making it the best choice for you to try. This stylish fire pit provides you light and natural flame for all your outside events. Moving on at number 4, we have the Landman 28347 Big Sky Fire Pit, Black. The fire pit is a high-quality item that you can also be used for cooking because it have a full-size cooking crate that have full handles to ensures for simple transportation. This fire pit additionally has different wildlife cutouts to enhance perfect fire views. This is one of the best fire pits which you can find very convenient and reliable on all your outdoor undertakings. It has a durable and solid construction and, hence, will assist you for a long period as possible. At number 3, we have the Endless Summer LP Gas GAD 1401M Outdoor Fireplace. Are you searching for a semi-permanent fire pit table for outdoor that will promote the status of your backyard? Then, get yourself this fire pit. It arrives with a classy top table outline that is good looking and will act as a decorative feature on your garden. The fire pit table is created with marble and slate tiles giving your yard a delightful welcome. Its multi-spark electronic burst feature ensures a stress-free lighting is attained and the adjustable warmth setting guarantees that you can regulate heat comfortably and accordingly. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics 34-inch fire pit with copper accents. This Amazon Basics fire pit has copper accents making it nice-looking fire pits around. It's a perfect fire pit that provides you with warmth and light, it bringing your family together when enjoying yourself on outdoor activities. Thanks to its dome-shaped fire screen that sits over the bowl top, you can enjoy 360-degree flame viewing without being affected by nasty sparks. Its screen contains a big handle making it easy and safe to shift without having any risk of being exposed to the heat. The entire fire pit is very portable and has stabilizing bases that work perfect even on areas with uneven surfaces. And finally at number 1, we have the Yaheetech 32 inches outdoor metal fire pit with cover. This fire pit has legs that are compact, hence you are assured that they will support the fire pit well and steady. It is made with stylish matte steel and is completed with artificial design black coat. It has a weight of 32.6 pounds. Hence this fire pit will not be that problematic to transport. Whenever you are concerned with the stray spark produced by the fire, this fire pit has a mesh screen incorporated whenever you buy this fire pit. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.